Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you force Google Maps to take a certain route. So guys, at first just go to your Google Maps app. Make sure you have turned on your location. Now click on this icon, the direction icon. You can choose your location in the first option, and in the second option you can choose a destination. I'm just showing you as an example. Now here you can see there is a possible route here, but you can select another by just clicking on the road beside here like this. It will take me like 19 minutes and the straight route will take 13 minutes. Google will show you the shortest route possible. So guys, that's how you can force Google to take a certain route. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.